I have it so from memory. Oh,
That was the last time these windows got to get cleaned.
Yep.
Well, because the man who owned the house died like a year and a half ago, so
Oh.
the house was empty, and then I did all this construction.
I see. Okay. So your walls are fine. You don't need anything in your walls. Your floor is fine.
Them or something, right? Well, you do the floor, right?
Yeah, no, yeah. Your floor definitely gets it cleaning. But I'm just saying you don't have any.
No.
You don't have, it's very clean, very plain.
Everything is spanking new, Percy.
Okay, cool. So you don't need nothing to do with dust. Okay.
It's dust inside, I guess, right? And
Yeah.
in here they could clean up a little bit.
Absolutely.
Take
We
everything out.
We take
and
over
wash
to now,
it.
clean the plastic out, sanitize
And
everything.
the rest is right there.
Okay, yeah. Take all that, put it back in.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's all right. So, take it all that, put it back in.
Everything is new, Percy.
All right, cool. Okay. The one thing I like to do is I like to open things, so if there is any problems, we could address it right now. So
Yeah, but everything is new.
Cool.
The whole house was gutted.
Okay. All right.
Whole new bathroom.
All right. Okay. All right. He really did a good clean for you. All right. Okay. It's pretty good. Okay, windows need some good touch up.
Yeah, we're gonna need some good cleaning.
Okay. All right. So
And maybe dust the ceiling fans a little bit.
Yes. We'll clean. Yeah. So it's okay. And then it's another
This is the
closet here.
bathroom over here. Yeah, that's a cedar closet.
Okay.
And then there's also, this is a closet too.
Yeah. So in there too. Okay. All right. So okay, and then this one here. Okay. All right, and then that goes outside, and then
Okay,
downstairs.
go down, Percy.
Okay. Oh, nice work.
You need light?
No, I'm good. Nice work. Okay, flow is good. Just need a good mop.
Just to clean it. And then these I really want them clean good.
Yes.
Inside,
Okay. Yeah. Wipe down nicely.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice bathroom. Okay.
Everything is new.
All right.
I redid everything.
Okay. Cool. Okay. So it has no stains.
No.
Blemish. Just a straight wipe down, clean out. Okay.
That's all it really is, Percy, is it?
Okay.
And that's where the boiler is.
And it's the boiler room. Okay.
New boiler, new hot water heater.
Okay. That's fine. That's just get a little vacuum. That's fine.
Yeah, and this thing over here.
Okay.
I'm still getting used to where all the lights are.
Okay, a little closet over here.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, just a mop, good mop, vacuum mop. All
That's
right.
it. And also, to dust the walls, like vacuum maybe. I don't know what you do.
Okay. All right. Okay, we'll vacuum a little bit. But your walls are fine. But,
They were just all painted.
Yeah. So we'll.
No, I don't want
get a little
anything,
like that.
anything rough on them.
No.